separators and cartridges are manufactured in Osaka Factory through numerous processes. Then, the parts supplied from inside and outside the company are assembled by a worker to create the end product. The withstand voltage, insulation resistance, air leak, and other safety evaluation checks are performed on the assembled product. Next is the water flow test for checking the quality to ensure that no water leaks out and that the standards are met. The front panel, cartridge, and other parts are attached to the products that pass the test. An energization check is performed to determine whether the voice, display, and other operations meet the standards. Such thorough checks are carried out to enable us to deliver high-quality products to our customers. Enagic International's continuous Kangen water and strong acidic water ionizers, of which we are proud, are carefully packed together with their instruction manual and accessories in packing boxes. We eagerly look forward to them being delivered to new customers. Enagic International was founded in 1974 in Okinawa, Japan. The Level Up series of continuous Kangen water and strong acidic water ionizers, which we put our heart into making without ever neglecting any process, are shipped from Osaka in Japan to enable the delivery of healthy and safe Kangen water to people around the world.